Hello students, welcome to you all. As you all know, we are studying MS Word. Okay, so today's topic for MS Word is page formatting. पेज को कैसे फॉर्मेट किया जाता है MS Word के पेज को. ओके, तो उसका साइज चेंज कर सकते हैं हम, उसका कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं या थीम चेंज कर सकते हैं. बेसिकली फॉर्मेटिंग तीन तरह से होती है एज यू कैन सी: पेज साइज, ओरिएंटेशन एंड कॉलम फॉर्मेटिंग. ओके, नाउ लाइन बाय लाइन हम एक एक को देखेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ पेज साइज. First of all, we have to click on layout tab, page layout tab. Okay, when you click on page layout tab, you will see the size option. ठीक है, size tab मिलेगा आपको, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए तो you can see the various available sizes. Okay, A4 size, then letter, legal or executive. So from here you can select any of the size. Okay, so that will be the size of your page. For example, right now by default A4 is selected. If I want to click on letter, so my page size will become letter format. Okay, so I hope page size is clear. Okay, one more way in which we can do: click on size, then click on more paper size options. Okay, so you will get the page setup option, and from here by default paper is already selected. As you can see, the cursor. Okay, so now from paper size we can select. Okay, again the same options will come here: A4, legal, executive. Okay, so from here also we can select, and whichever we want to select we can select and then click on OK button. Okay, width and height of the paper is already given. For example, for letter the width is 21.59 centimeters and height is 27.94 centimeters, and we can change it from here. Okay, so I hope page size is clear. Next topic is page orientation. Orientation, there are two types of orientations: portrait and landscape. As you can see, I have clicked on the orientation option. We can see two options: portrait and landscape. Okay, by default it is portrait. You can see my paper. Okay, it is in vertical format. Okay, what in vertical form. If I want to make it in horizontal way, I'll click on the landscape. Okay, now you can see my page has become horizontal. Okay, now the third last option is column formatting. Okay, how we can change the columns. Suppose you can see some text is written. Okay, I have written some text on my page. Now I want to change its columns. Okay, number of columns. So I will click on the column option from the layout tab. Okay, you can see in the menu options we have to click on the layout tab. Then from that we have to click on columns, and you can see the number of columns. Okay, suppose I click on 3. Now you can see all the text which was written now has come into 3 different columns. You can see column number 1, column number 2 and column number 3. In the same way we can select the columns. Okay, you can see the number of columns: 1, 2, 3, then left right column accordingly. Okay, so whichever column you want to select you can select it. So I hope page formatting is clear. All the three topics are clear to you. Thank you.